Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to do another wholesale order video. I know the last video that I did do, you guys really liked that video, so I decided to do another one. So I do get a lot of wholesale orders, so it's pretty hard for me to do like a video for every single one, but I decided to do one that had the customer ordered a few items within their wholesale order. So in this video, I will show you guys from start to finish on how I process as well as package and ship a wholesale order for one of my customers. So if you guys are interested, definitely keep watching this video. So I'm going to try not to do so much talking in this video. I just want you guys to kind of sit back and watch the video and just follow along for the process. But pretty much one of the first things that I do is, of course, take a look at what the customer ordered off of my site. Then I go in and making the lip gloss. Now, this particular order, they ordered three gloss jars and an 8.5 ounce. So I will be making 3 different lip glosses and pouring them into the 8.5 ounce jars. Now, if you guys do not know, I do offer 6 ounce. And then, of course, I offer 8.5 ounce in the gloss bags as well as the gloss jars. And when you do place an order, you do receive 15 empty 10 ml squeeze tubes with your order. So you guys will see me packaging that up for this order later on in the video. So one of the first things that I always try to do is measure. I do have my own formula that I've created for my lip gloss, and I always measure things out. I use the same oils for my lip gloss. Of course, the only thing that does change is the colors as well as the flavoring oils. I also do add preservative in my wholesale orders for my customers as well. If you guys do not know about preservatives extend the lifespan or the shelf life of lip gloss, and I highly recommend that if you are selling lip gloss, you add a preservative into your formula when you make your lip gloss for your customers. So the first lip gloss that I will be making is Strawberry Shortcake. Strawberry Shortcake has been around for a long time. It's one of my top selling wholesale glosses that customers always tend to order. So as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and mixing and making this gloss. And then after that, I will go ahead and pour it into the gloss jar. I do measure out to make sure that every single customer does receive 6 ounce or 8.5 ounce of gloss within their jars or bags.
Oh na na na, 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 yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah, the sis come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl, ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs and run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No, you do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around 2 different.
So the next gloss that I will be making is Pink Champagne. Pink Champagne is actually one of the newer glosses that I've created, and I added on to my wholesale collection. So my customer ordered it, so I'm going ahead and making it right now. This is a really pretty pink shimmery shade of gloss. You do see a lot of color shifting with this gloss because I do add in different shades of pink, and then I also, within the pink shades, they do have a shimmer to it. So Pink Champagne is a mango flavor. And then I forgot to tell you guys about the strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake is more of a red mixed with pink color shifting gloss, and then it does come with shimmer as well, and the gloss does actually smell like strawberry shortcake.
You do what you have to, I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do whatever you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you. No one should judge. No one should. Girl, I gotta tell you, you the best from time. I just had to get that off my chest. Hope you don't mind, no. I mean, who am I to judge you? Take your time, girl. I mean, who am I to rush you? Baby, fall in love with you. Baby girl, I know you do whatever you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you.
Okay, so the last gloss that I will be making is Angel Glitz. It is a newer wholesale gloss as well, and it's more of like a pink, I'm sorry, not a pink, a blue and silver color shifting gloss. And then this gloss also has shimmer as well, and the flavor for this gloss is pomegranate.
And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Baby girl, I know you do whatever you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no. Just tell them that no one can judge you.
So after I made the glosses, poured them into their jars, the next thing I do is wipe them down with a Clorox wipe. I do use Clorox wipe as well as alcohol just to make sure that the jars are sterilized and sanitized. And then also, if I did get gloss on the outside of the jars, that will be wiped away with the wipes as well. So the next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and start applying my labels. I do have like separate labels that I created for my wholesale items. And after I place the labels, the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start packaging up her order. So with packaging the wholesale order, I do have personalized stickers that I put on the packaging box. Depending on how big the order is, I might use like my regular white mailer boxes, or I might use the USPS priority boxes, just depending on how big the order is. So pretty much the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and start counting out her squeeze tubes. Like I stated earlier in the video, every gloss jar order does receive 15 empty squeeze tubes. So I'm going to go ahead and count those out, count out, make sure that she has the tubes, the stoppers, as well as the tops. And I'm going to go ahead and place those into a plastic bag and add that to her order. All right, you guys, so that is about it for this wholesale order. I'm pretty much done. The only thing that I have to do is print out the shipping label and go ahead and package it up and get it ready to drop it off at the post office. So if you guys are interested, you can definitely check out my site. If you're interested in starting your own lip gloss business and you're not for sure where to get your lip gloss, I do have over 25 gloss shades that you can choose from. And every single order does come with 15 empty squeeze tubes, and then it also comes with the 60 ml syringe and your pipettes. So once you get your order, the only thing you have to do is fill up your squeeze tubes and you can go ahead and start selling your gloss. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below in the description section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. And you guys, make sure you check out my site. I do also sell regular lip cosmetics. I also sell skincare, clothing as well. And then also I did transition my custom wigs and hair extensions over to my new site as well. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely check me out. And I will see you guys in the next video.
What you have to do, what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here, over here. But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold out that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Ooh, baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to.